guys, and welcome back to another beat. Today I'll be showing you how I achieved this nice, good looking Halloween makeup look. It's very simple, very easy to do, one eyeshadow palette look, but I just use a variety of different orange shades. But anyways, without further ado, let's get into this slay. Leave your comments down below, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're new, invite everyone over, and let's spread this Halloween love. Let's get in. Bye. So guys, to get into this look, you can see I've already done my eyeshadow, and all I had was a nice orange shade and the yellow above as my transition. Now I'm just doing a nice black wing eyeliner, and once I finish doing so, I'll be adding like 3 triangles on my eyelid, and that will give kind of like a pumpkin looking effect, Halloween pumpkin effect, and that will be the eyes for this Halloween makeup tutorial. As you can see, now I'm going to be drawing the triangles, and I'm just making sure that I'm being very precise by outlining the shape that I want, and then once I get the shape I want, I then go in again with a darker eyeliner to just intensify the shape and coloring it with the black liner. As you can see, I wasn't going for any dramatic look. It's just something simple because I'm not really a Halloween girl, but this tutorial has been highly requested, so I'm just doing this as a one-off tutorial. And I'm going to be doing the other eye off camera, and as you can see, it came out really nice as to how I wanted the triangles to be. And yeah, that's the eyes, and we're gonna just go on to foundation. And you know, I use the Too Faced foundation in Spice Rum and the Fenty Beauty foundation in 410. Oh, and I completely forgot, I went in with some white glitter on my inner parts of my eyelids to just give this look a bit more of a dramatic feel. This is a mix. It's a white glitter, but it has like a lot of different color combination coming through. It's not showing well on this video, but it came out absolutely flawless. So now I'm just applying my foundation. I didn't prime because I just wipe it off instantly as I finished taking the pictures, so no priming today. And now I'm just going in with my Fenty Beauty foundation. Then we'll be blending this until it's seamless into my skin. As y'all know, I love when my foundation is smooth because the foundation just gives the basis of how the makeup will turn out in the end. So now you can see I'm doing a patting motion instead of a rubbing motion, and this will help the foundation to lay very smooth. As I always say in all my videos, if you want a smooth makeup, you make sure that you pat everything onto your skin and not rub at all. And as you can see, the more I'm patting, the dry down is absolutely flawless. I love the dry down of these two foundation combined. And you want to make sure that you get right up in those edges with the foundation, because we don't want any two shade looking makeup going on over here. So yeah. So once it's dried down to my liking, I'm now going in with my highlighting shade concealer, and I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey, and I'm just highlighting underneath my eyes, my chin area, my nose bridge, my forehead, and my Cupid's bow. I also used the Makeup Revolution concealer in C12 as well to get my shade, because the Warm Honey was a bit too light, as you can see from this clip. But once I blend it out and add my setting powder, it was back to normal. But yeah, I'm just using a small brush, contour brush, to just pat this concealer underneath my eyes and on the highlighted areas, so it is very smooth. And using this brush gives you a bit more control when you're doing your makeup and make it a bit more precise. And you want to just blend, even when your hand is hurting, just continue blending. Like at this point I was like, what the hell am I doing? This is way too white. But then I still went in with the Makeup Revolution concealer and toned it down a bit. So guys, don't worry, it was looking horrible at this point, but we managed to snatch it in the end. I'm now using, I keep forgetting this concealer. I think it's the ColourPop concealer in Cocoa, and this will be my contour shade. If you want to see the exact name of this, just check down below, because I think I forgot it. I'm now using a NYX small brush to pat this into my skin, and as you can see, I'm doing a blending to just reduce the darkness that it was showing initially. Yeah, once we do this, I'm just going to be blending it onto the concealed areas as well, and patting as I go on to make sure that I'm getting an exact, precise finish. And this will just make both shades blend seamlessly together and just give you that natural feel once the makeup is finished. I'm now using a small eyeshadow brush to contour my nose a bit, and then we'll be going in and setting all those highlighted and contoured areas. As you can see, I'm still patting the concealer into my skin to make sure that I'm getting a nice dry down before I set it, because once you set this makeup, there's nothing you can do to change it. So you have to be very precise when you're doing your makeup. Okay, now I'm just going in with the same brush that I used to blend my highlighting concealer in, and I'm using that same brush to set those concealed areas. And as you can see, I'm not doing any baking, I'm just adding it onto my skin and blending it precisely into my skin. And as you can see, once I'm setting those highlighted areas, you can see the whiteness from the concealer is toning down a bit because the Sacha Buttercup has a yellow undertone. So it just works perfectly with these concealers. I'm now setting my jawline area, and once I finish with that, I'll be going in and setting those contour shade and also blending it into my skin again to have a lovely and smooth finishing. At some point during this, my camera battery died, so I didn't get the rest of it on camera. But what I did, I had some stickers of spiders and I just stick them onto my face and applied a matte black lipstick to finish off this look. And that's the end of the makeup, guys. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends, family and whomever you please. Come back next time and I'll see you in another one. Happy Halloween and peace, love, bye. So guys, this is the finish look. I hope you like it, and if you do, then please leave your comments down below and don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can never miss another beat. So until next time, see you in another video. Peace, love, bye, happy Halloween.